At the entrance of this new 4-story medical school, abundant natural light pours through the glass facades, strategically positioned to showcase the lustrous monochromatic terrazzo floor. The elegant, understated floor supports the architecture. Reinforcing a harmonious interior design, the beautifully executed plinth and massive stairway spanning the lobby to the 3rd floor serves as the focal point. Accented with heavy top aluminum strips, terrazzo extends the length of the building into the elevator cabs and through several hallways, each connected to the lobby. The plinth's treads and risers, extending walls and caps were all poured in place, and the plinth itself required floating to level the concrete at the walls and landing. The angled staircase rises from the plinth with 55 precast treads and risers, all produced by the Terrazzo Contractor and floated out before installing the terrazzo. The contractor took special care during the installation and grinding process to ensure a flat and level finish, considering the vast amount of sunlight entering the building. Extreme caution also had to be taken to protect all the metal on the window walls. For tremendous work on this project at the University of Houston College of Medicine, we commend the contractor, Southern Tile and Terrazzo of Houston.